Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your 12th house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from your 12th house to your first house in the sign of Aquarius, where your ascendant lord is right now present in its strong position because Saturn is present in its own sign. Means your ascendant is right now in a strong position. So seventh house will be your marriage, your legal bindings seen from 7th house, your spouse is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house, your commitments, your legal binding, your agreements also seen from 7th house, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So in the month of February till 14 February, your 7th house lord is moving in your 12th house. So we can expect if you want to travel somewhere or if you are previously trying to travel somewhere and for foreign settlement purpose like for PR purpose, then we can expect great result in the month of February, especially till 14 February 2024, because your 7th house lord will be moving in your 12th house. Also right now your 7th house lord, your marriage lord, your spouse lord, your business partnership lord is also moving in the house of expenses and losses, because 12th house also will be your expenses, your losses, and your all the expenditure is seen from 12th house. So you may expand something related to your spouse or your marriage related matter or your business related matter in the month of February till 14 February 2024. One thing is very important to mention here is that 7th house lord is moving in your 12th house, and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house, and right now your 12th house is in a strong position, and we also see losses from your 12th house. So your 7th house lord is moving in your 12th house, so you may face some argument, some conflict with your spouse or business partnership in the month of February, especially till 14 February, because Sun represent ego and Mars represent anger, and Mars right now in a strong position in your 12th house. So you may have to face some argument, some conflict with your spouse, but you don't have to worry a lot because your 12th house is right now in a strong position and your ascendant is also in a strong position. So things will be okay in the month of February, but you may have to face some argument, some conflict till 14 February. After 14 February, Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Aquarius, where in your ascendant, where your ascendant lord is also moving. So after 14 February, your first house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your journal, health, your fundamental nature, and your mental perception is also seen from first house. So after 14 February, we can expect you will face a lot of recognition, a lot of fame, a lot of good result regarding your marriage related matter and your business related matter as well in the month of February. One thing is very important to mention here is that Sun and Saturn are not considered friends in astrology, but in the month of February, due to your first house in a strong position. So when Sun will move from your 12th house to first house, we can expect average result for you people in the month of February. Also, we can expect a great result regarding your marriage, your spouse, and your business partnership related matter, and your get-togethers related matter in the month of February if you have Aquarius Ascendant, because your ascendant is right now in a strong position. Also, Saturn will be in a combust position, but combustion will not happen until Sun reach to the 10 degree of the Saturn. Then we can consider your ascendant lord will be in a combust position. But till then, we can expect you will get an average result regarding your first house related matter, regarding your journal health related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and as well as your meetings related matter in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mercury controls your 5th house and your 8th house. And right now your 5th house and 8th house lord is also moving in your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Mercury is just moved from your 11th house to your 12th house after 2nd February 2024, and Mercury will stay in your 12th house till 20th February 2024. After 20th February, Mercury will move to your first house in your ascendant. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education till college life education is seen from fifth house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are is also seen from fifth house. Your fun activities also seen from fifth house, and your post at your work, how higher post you can get at your work is also seen from fifth house. Eighth house will with your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house. Your sudden event, sudden positive event, sudden negative event is also seen from eighth house. Your in-laws related matter means your spouse's family is also seen from 12th, also seen from eighth house. Your secret activity, your extramarital affairs, your sexual organs, sexual relationship also seen from eighth house, and your research activities also seen from eighth house. So right now, fifth house and eighth house Lord is moving in your 12th house in the month of February. Here, one thing is very important to mention is that one naturally malefic house Lord is moving in another naturally malefic house Lord. And right now, your eighth house is occupied by Ketu. So we can expect suddenly you will get good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, regarding foreign travel related matter, or some good news from foreign land for you people, because negative always cancels each other out. And right now your one negative house lord is moving in another naturally malefic house lord. That's why we can expect great result regarding your eighth house related matter. You will suddenly get a good news regarding your foreign settlement related matter, regarding something related to foreign is seen from good we can expect from foreign land for you people, especially after 14th February when sun will move from your 12th house to your first house. Also, eighth house deal with your hidden studies, your secret studies. So if you are interested into spirituality, or you are doing some, if you are interested in some spirituality related matter, or if you are interested into some spirituality related matter or secretive studies related matter, then your eighth house lord is right now moving in your 12th house. 12th house also deal with some hidden things, so we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter in the month of February, especially after 14th February, because Ketu will give you support in your 8th house to your research studies, to your research activities. Ketu will help you to find out truth regarding your research studies in the month of February. And also, your 8th house Lord is moving in your 12th house, in the house of imagination, in the house of sky, in the house of sky, in the house of space. So you will get a support in the month of February due to if your work is somehow connected to spirituality or you are interested into spirituality. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 20th February from your 8th house. Mercury also controls your 5th house, and 5th house Lord is also moving in your 12th house. Your love relationship is controlled by 5th house, and love relationship Lord is right now moving in your 12th house, and Sun and Mars is also moving in your 12th house. As we discussed previously, 12th house is a naturally malefic house. So you may face some argument, some conflict with your love relationship. Also, we can expect you may fight a lot in the month of February with your opposite partner if you have any love relationship, because Sun and Mars is also moving in your 12th house, and Sun represent ego and Mars represent anger. So till 20th February, you need to be take care of your love relationship. Also, if you are married right now and you have children, then your children's lord is also moving in your 12th house. So if you want to send your children for education purpose for different countries, then we can expect good result for their education related matter as well in the month of February. Also, if you are a student, then your 12th, also if you are a student and if you are in college life, then your fifth house lord is moving in your 12th house. So you also need to be take care of your education related matter, because your education house lord is moving in the house of imagination, in the house of losses. So you may uselessly thoughts a lot in the month of February, due to which your studies might get disturbed. So you need to be take care of these matters in the month of February from your fifth house related matter. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 20th February 2024. After 20th February, Mercury will move to your first house, and Saturn and Mercury considered as friends in astrology. And then your eighth house lord will be moving in your first house, and your fifth house lord will also be moving in your first house, and your ascendant is right now in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your general health related matter, and your fame related matter. If you are some celebrity or actor or politician, or your work is somehow connected to fame. From first house, Mercury will also aspect your fifth house, and Sun will also moving in your first house, and Sun will also aspect its own house from your first house. That's why we can also expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your marriage related matter, and your business related matter if you have any business in your life. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Aquarius and people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius and people, Venus controls your fourth house and your ninth house. And right now your fourth house and ninth house Lord is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fourth house will be your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your emotion is seen from fourth house, your happiness is seen from fourth house, your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house, your homeland and people of your homeland is also seen from fourth house. Ninth house will be your father, your teachers, your mentors, your advisors, your guiders, your lawyers is seen from ninth house, your postgrad education means higher education is seen from ninth house, your philosophical knowledge, your religious inclination, religious knowledge is seen from ninth house, your long distance travel and travel related to religious purpose means your pilgrimage related matter. And if you belongs to any religion, any travel related to religious purpose is considered is seen from ninth house. And your fortune, how lucky you are, is also seen from ninth house. So right now in the month of February, your fourth house and ninth house Lord will be moving in your first house till 11th February 2024. So till 11th February, we can expect you will get a lot of gains, a lot of good news, a lot of support, and a lot of incoming gains regarding your fourth house related matter and your ninth house related matter, because 11th house will be your gains, incoming gains in the form of money, in the form of respect, in the form of anything is seen from gain of anything is seen from 11th house. Your fulfillment of hopes and wishes, and hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, profession, circle is also seen from 11th house. So till 11th February, we can expect great result regarding all of these matter in the month of February. After 11th February, when Venus will move from your 11th house to 12th house, then you need to be, as we discussed previously in Sun and Mercury section, if you want to travel somewhere, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter and your foreign settlement related matter. And if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, then we can expect great gains of foreign land, great gains of money from foreign land in the month of February, because right now your 12th house is in a strong position, because Mars is present in exalted position in your 12th house. Means your 12th foreign house Lord is right now in a strong position. And after 11th February, your fourth house Lord, your homeland Lord, will be moving in your 12th house, in the house of foreign land, and also which controls your ninth house, long distance travel will also be moving in your 12th house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Means right now your third house and 10th house Lord is in a strong position in your 12th house in its exalted position because Mars is present in Capricorn sign. Third house deal with your efforts, your communication abilities. Seen from third house, your younger brothers, sisters. Seen from third house, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Seen from third house, your how hardworking you are, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your hands and hand skills is also seen from third house. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your bosses, your superior, how much authority you will have in your life, how much fame you will have in your life is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, how far you can go in your business or occupation is also seen from 10th house, and your work environment is also seen from 10th house. So right now your third house and 10th house lord is moving in your 12th house. So that's why we were saying in Venus section, if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or you're working in a multinational company, or your income is coming from foreign land, or your work is somehow connected to export and import, any link in your work from foreign land, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter as well in the month of February, because your 10th house lord is moving in your 12th house in a strong position, and also Mars getting the support of your sun and Mercury in your 12th house. Also your third house lord, which controls your efforts, which controls your hard working ability, which controls your hand and hand skills, is right now moving in your 12th house. So we can expect you will put a lot of effort regarding your foreign work related matter. If your work is somehow connected to foreign land, also we can expect great result regarding your effort. You will put a lot of effort in your work, and you will also get the revenue of that effort in the month of February, because your third house is right now occupied by Jupiter, and Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in the month of February into your 12th house, and Mars is in an exalted position in your 12th house. That's why we can expect great result for all the Aquarius Ascendant people regarding all of these matter in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 12th house, and Sun will stay in your 12th house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from your 12th house to first house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 12th house, and Mercury is just moved from your 11th house to 12th house after 2nd February, and Mercury will stay in your 12th house till 20th February 2024. After 20th February, Mercury will move to your first house in the sign of Aquarius, means in your ascendant. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 12th house, and Mars is just moved after 6th February 2024 from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 11th house, and Venus will stay in your 11th house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Aquarius Ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.